Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Swati and I work as a cloud consultant with Google. So today I am recording a much awaited video, Pune Office tour, which was like most demanded video on the channel. So apart from just the office tour, there is some celebration going on in the office. So I'll take you today with me, the office and the celebration. Let's go! As soon as I reach office, first thing I go to cafeteria for the breakfast. But since today it's Google's 25th birthday, so there was some activity going on in cafeteria. You can see there's cupcake decoration activity going on. So our chef is doing some amazing cupcake decoration and we are also trying to learn some tricks from him. So I also tried my hands on cupcake decoration. So there were many activities planned for the day and अगली एक्टिविटी थी ये सेरेमिक टाइल पेंटिंग. नेक्स्ट आपको लेके चलते हैं माइक्रो किचन की तरफ. माइक्रो किचन इज़ एन एरिया वेयर यू कैन ग्रैब योर चाय और कॉफ़ी and sit with your friends or team members to have some collab time or just to chill. Apart from just chai and coffee, you can grab fruits or nuts or cookies, anything you need to munch on, you can grab it from Micro Kitchen. फाइनली चलते हैं कैफेटेरिया की तरफ बिकॉज आज बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन है तो देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग स्पेशल इन कैफेटेरिया. You can see aesthetics wise cafeteria is decorated very nicely and it is very pleasing to sit here in cafeteria.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you don't ever wanna give me.
Now this is another cafe, Cafe Java, from where you can grab your chai, coffee, mocktails, iced tea, cold coffee, anything you can order from the morning till the evening. So if you are a chai or coffee lover, you will love it. लंच के बाद शुरू होने वाला था स्पेशल इवेंट फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग गूगल्स 25th बर्थडे. So let's get going for the party. And there was another colorful activity, handprint painting. Well, that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the Pune office tour and Google's 25th birthday celebration at Pune site. If you liked the video guys, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.